What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a DeadAss makeover featuring my apartment bathroom. In this video, I will show you guys how to transform, if you guys rent, transform your bathroom into something that, you know, you can go walk into and be like, damn, all right, cool, I have a nice bathroom even though I rent. And basically tips like if you own a place or whatever and you just want to do something on a budget, then this is the video for you. So I will tell you guys 6 ways in how to transform your bathroom for like less than $300. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I did was remove the wallpaper that I literally just put up when I moved to the new apartment. I had this wallpaper up in my last apartment and I really loved it. But when I moved into this 2-bedroom apartment, I just wasn't feeling it anymore. So of course, like always, I always change my mind. So I went ahead and took it off and got rid of it. So the next thing I decided to do was like an accent wall in the bathroom. So I went ahead and put the blue tape up just so that I won't get it on the other walls, which I painted white. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this wall like a nice sage color. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this color lately. And I think it just looks so beautiful and so relaxing. And after it dries, after 2 coats, it just looks so good. Yeah, just don't mind me. So the next thing I did was went ahead and spray painted the mirror and the light fixture. I just did it with gold spray paint. It used to be a chrome color and it just wasn't fitting the vibe of the bathroom. So yeah, basically, you know, just try to use what you got, spray paint anything that you have to make it look like a whole new, basically fixture. It definitely is like a beautiful brass color and I'm just really obsessed with how it came out. As you can see here, I'm showing you guys the mirror. But yeah, it's super easy to do, and just make sure to tape up the mirror so that when you spray paint, you won't get spray paint on the mirror, obviously. So now that I'm done putting up the fixtures, I went ahead and removed the rest of the blue tape that was up. And as you can see, the gold looks just so nice against the new sage color wall. The next thing you can do to transform your bathroom is the floors. So I got these floors from Amazon. They're on my Amazon store and I will link them in the description. These are just peel and stick planks, super easy to use, and you can just lay them on top of your existing bathroom floor to create a whole new look. The next thing I went ahead and did is added a curved shower rod. I just love how this gives you like so much more extra space inside the shower. As you guys know, I hate when the shower curtain touches me while I'm taking a shower. I know I'm weird. But yeah, the curved shower rod is definitely the best thing ever invented. I love it. And when you're in the shower, it just makes the space look so much bigger when you're in there. So the other shower rod that was existing there prior to this one, I cannot remove. I don't know what they did. They like stuck it in the fucking wall, but yeah, I could not get it down. So I went ahead and just put the shower rod right on top of the old one. The next thing you want to do is just replace your current curtain with something that will match the aesthetic of your bathroom that you're going for. And definitely the shower curtain, excuse me guys, the shower curtain definitely makes the bathroom look way different and just like a nice clean look. You don't want nothing too crazy as a shower curtain or whatever, not too many colors. You want to keep it simple. I mean, if you like colors, that's on you, but I like it to be very plain and simple. So I went ahead and got this curtain from Amazon, which I will link in the description below, and it just says "Get Naked" on it, and I love it. And of course, I went ahead and used my iron to steam out all those wrinkles. So the next thing you want to do is get a nice big bath mat, depending on the size of your bathroom. I went with this ivory bath mat and I just love it. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and replace your warm LED light bulbs with some daylight light bulbs. They just make a huge difference in the bathroom. The next thing is my favorite part, and is the decor. So I got these baskets from Five Below. I got the little planter from Marshall's. I got this toilet topper from Amazon. I got the little vase with the little fake plant from Target. And I also got this clear little bowl with the rocks from Dollar Tree. It's just a simple way to make your toilet topper just look, you know, cute or whatever. And I just used that as a candle holder basically with the rocks, and I thought it was just super cute. I also bought this net bag from Amazon, and I just use it to hold extra toilet paper because, you know, shit happens and you run out of toilet paper, so extra toilet paper by the toilet is necessary. The next thing is this super cute gold soap dispenser and gold toothbrush holder that I got from Target, and I just absolutely love it. So the next thing, of course, I love my electronics, so I went ahead and bought an Alexa for the bathroom so that we could play music while in the shower. And they have this super cute Alexa holder that I got from Amazon, and it just hides the wire and makes it look super sleek. So next thing I got was eucalyptus to hang in the shower, and I got these from Trader Joe's for $3.99. The next thing you want to do if you have a little storage area for your bathroom stuff is to get baskets to neatly organize everything. Okay, so my bathroom is finally done. I am not gonna mess with it. I swear, I be always changing my mind and what I want to do, but this is definitely the best that I've done, and I just love the way it came out. And I'm just gonna show you guys how my bathroom looked before. Like the floors were disgusting. The walls, they always paint them like this dirty yellow cream color, and it's irritating. But yeah, so you're gonna see right here the way the bathroom used to look, and now here is how my bathroom looks now. Okay guys, so that was it for this DeadAss bathroom makeover. I hope you guys loved it. And again, just because you guys rent doesn't mean you can make the bathroom look nice, you know, on a budget. There's like a, you know, you could just change up the decor, you know, give the bathroom a fresh coat of paint. It definitely makes a huge difference. And also definitely the light bulbs. A lot of places like to give those warm light bulbs, and the daylight light bulbs just makes a huge difference in the bathroom. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing makeovers. Hopefully one day I can do somebody's bathroom sooner or later when this whole corona thing is over with. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more DeadAss makeovers.